Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shiva Ravindra. Today I am going to explain session number 3. What are the known issues mentioned in the implementation guide 3.4 SDTM? So first one is derived records and the use of DRVFL. So whenever we are deriving a new particular record in the SDTM, like here you will see the below box, the LB test glucose, the third record was derived. Okay, so either it may be average, minimum, maximum, or some other derivations they use to derive a particular record in the SDTM. So we have not, chance to include the particular average value to the LBORRS field because LBORRES that variable specifically they mentioned in the SDTM whenever we are collecting a variable, not observed or some other derived value. Okay, just whatever we collected from the CRF or the CROs, those values only we keep. Original values only we keep. Okay. So when a record is not collected directly from a subject, but created programmatically, that is derived, such calculations like average or anything. So it is called a derived record. So here this table original result is usually left blank because it is not an actual value. So, but we should, mention the flag variable to particular row to identify it is a derived record. So, what is the issue here? CDISC was never clearly said the ORRS must be null for the DRVFL equal to Y. Though this is logic is expected, so this will be, it should be clarified in the upcoming versions. And one more known issues mentioned in the implementation guide, link ID and link GRP. So link ID generally we use to link between a single to single record. Link group generally they mentioned a group of records to group of record they want to you know link. The link group variable will use. So here below examples of concomitant medication versus adverse event. So any subject is experienced any adverse event, to reduce that adverse event, they will give some concomitant. So first record belongs to the AE, second record belongs to the CM. But what is the link here? Link 01 ID variable they mentioned as link 01 and real type is 1 to 1. But here the issue, even though we have link group for groups, it is not used to the rel examples, and CDISC has not clearly explained how and when should we use this link group. They will plan to clarify and reverse the examples in future further version. So this type of examples, if you want, watch the YouTube channel.